This is MikeBot. For those of you that know or don't know, I have a YouTube channel called MikeBot 3D Printing and Tech Studio. I stopped kind of working on that channel earlier this year. Wasn't getting the results I wanted. 16,500 some subscribers after 5 years of work. Tons of effort and all that, and I just wasn't getting the results I wanted, so I kind of stopped working on it. So this video is going to be similar to that. Anyway, what I have here is the Bambu Lab AMS unit. This is a color switching unit. It does 4 colors. You can expand it up to 16, or if you get one of the newer Bambu printers called the H2D, you can do up to 24 colors plus 1, so 25 colors total. So basically, I was printing a color light box yesterday, and I smelt burning, and the printer kind of malfunctioned. So I did some quick little digging, took out the screws right here, pulled this out, and smelt a ton of burning here. So obviously something fried. I've ordered a new main board for this. I've ordered the RFID replacement tag, as well as the power adapter back here, just to be safe. So basically, this is fried, and I'm going to show you how to replace it once the parts come in. But in short, it's just 2 screws, unplugging all these cables. I ordered some new cables as well to be safe. And I'm going to show you under a microscope what it looks like. So this is kind of going to be hard to do, but I'm not entirely sure which part is the one that fried. But if you kind of put the microscope under here, you can kind of see like little char marks. So let me just show that there. So there are some here. Could be that potentially. Could be potentially this one right here. Anyway, this is really hard to do on video. Either way, the part is fried, and I'm going to have a full replacement video coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. MikeBot out.